This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start right away. Ensure the PC is plugged in and remove external drives. You do not need extra tools. Force a restart 3 times to load the Windows recovery environment because that gives you access to repair tools. Once in WinRe, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Choose Command Prompt for manual fixes or Startup Repair to let Windows attempt automated recovery. Pick based on your comfort level. Make sure to note which drive letter Windows uses in this environment before running commands. Now focus on repairing the boot and system configuration. First, run bootrec with the 3 commands: fixember, fixboot, and rebuild to restore the boot configuration. These target corrupted boot data. After that, run chkdsk on the Windows volume with /f and /r to fix disk errors, then use sfc with offline parameters to repair system files. If the error persists, open regedit and, with caution, load the system hive to inspect or restore critical registry keys. Because bad system config info often stems from finish by restoring any backups you created. Export and replace registry hives or restore a backed up BCD if rebuild attempts fail. Once changes are applied, exit tools, remove install media, unplug extra peripherals, and reboot into normal mode to test. If Windows still blue screens, perform system restore to a known good point or run an in-place repair install to preserve files. Troubleshooting tip: when uncertain, duplicate your drive image first. Making a disk image prevents accidental data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.